Nothing Phone 3A Pro versus Nothing Phone 2A Plus. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro boasts a stunning 6.77-inch display, maximizing your viewing experience with an impressive screen-to-body ratio of around 88%. In contrast, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus features a slightly smaller 6.7-inch display, offering a solid 87.1% screen-to-body ratio. Both deliver vibrant visuals, but the 3A Pro takes the edge in size, making it perfect for media lovers who crave more screen real estate. When it comes to photography, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro shines with a dual 50-megapixel setup, including a periscope telephoto lens that enables 3x optical zoom. This allows for incredible detail and versatility in your shots. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus also features a 50-megapixel wide lens but lacks the optical zoom capability, making the 3A Pro the clear winner for photography enthusiasts seeking to capture distant subjects with clarity. Storage options are abundant with the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, offering configurations of 128 GB with 8 GB RAM, 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, or 256 GB with a whopping 12 GB RAM. This flexibility ensures that you can choose the perfect setup for your needs. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus provides two options, 256 GB with 8 or 256 GB with 12 GB RAM. While both provide ample storage, the 3A Pro's entry-level option gives it an edge for those looking for variety. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a resolution of 1080 to 1392 pixels, delivering a pixel density of approximately 387 ppi, ensuring sharp and detailed visuals. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus offers a slightly higher resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of around 395 ppi. While both displays are impressive, the 2A Plus edges out in resolution, perfect for those who prioritize clarity in every detail. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by a robust octa-core CPU with a combination of Cortex-A720 cores, clocking up to 2.5 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. In contrast, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus features a high-performing octa-core CPU with Cortex-A715 cores, reaching up to 3.0 GHz. This gives the 2A Plus a slight advantage in processing speed, making it ideal for power users who demand top performance. Both models come equipped with a substantial 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage throughout your day. This means you can enjoy streaming, gaming, and browsing without the constant worry of running out of power. The similarity in battery capacity ensures that whether you choose the Nothing Phone 3A Pro or the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, you'll have the stamina you need for your daily activities. In performance benchmarks, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro excels with an impressive Antutu score of 82097, showcasing its power for gaming and heavy applications. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus, while still capable, scores lower at 620762 on Antutu. This difference highlights the 3A Pro's edge in raw performance, making it the go-to choice for gamers and heavy users who need that extra boost. Selfie lovers will appreciate that both models feature a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, ensuring stunning selfies with great detail. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro and the Nothing Phone 2A Plus are equally matched here, providing excellent quality for your social media needs. With both options delivering high-resolution selfies, you can't go wrong with either choice for capturing those perfect moments. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is equipped with the Qualcomm SM7635 Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, offering cutting-edge performance with its 4nm architecture. In comparison, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus uses the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro, also built on a 4nm process. While both chipsets are efficient, the Snapdragon in the 3A Pro is known for its superior graphics performance, making it ideal for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts. Experience stunning visuals with the AMOLED display on both models. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro features a display that supports HDR10+ and offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits, perfect for outdoor visibility. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus also has an AMOLED display with HDR10+, but peaks at 1300 nits. This makes the 3A Pro the better option for those who often use their phone in bright environments, ensuring vibrant colors and clarity. For videographers, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS, along with 1080p at various frame rates, incorporating gyro EIS for stabilization. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus also records in 4K, but limits 1080p to 60 FPS and 120 FPS. The 3A Pro's superior video recording capabilities make it the preferred choice for those looking to create high-quality video content. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro comes in at $500, while the Nothing Phone 2A Plus is slightly more budget-friendly at $450. While the 3A Pro offers more advanced features, the 2A Plus presents a compelling value proposition for users looking to save without sacrificing too much performance.